Hi guys, good evening. It's 20 past 8 p.m. CT, 20 past 7 p.m. London. Piotr here. This is a crypto market flow update. Just a friendly reminder, crypto market flow is a part of Land of Trading Group. As you can see on the chart, on this intraday Bitcoin chart, I'm trying not to cancel whatever we previously discussed. And as you can see, we are breaking lower below 11,000. We are testing from the intraday perspective extremely important levels for the further Bitcoin direction. But of course, before we start our analysis, let's check the risk warning, guys. Please bear in mind, trading crypto on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for investors who can sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment. So please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Alright guys, so what is going on? If there was a theory that the Bitcoin is going up mostly because of the trade tensions between US and China, so overall the information we got a few hours ago, I'm calling that the coordinated manipulation, because we went the information through the Chinese media as well as through the US media in regards to the US-China trade talks. Looks like within the next 2 weeks they are going to back to the table, this time only via phone at the very beginning, right? Of course, that was the trigger. Also, looking deeper into that information, we can get that the US will delay tariffs on some products which were supposed to start at the very beginning of September. All of this trigger the move to the downside on Bitcoin, as well as when you are checking the rest of the markets, indices, stocks indices, FX, bonds, the move triggered risk on sentiment, pushed indices much higher, yen crosses much higher. Unfortunately for the Bitcoin, if we can assume that the most of the latest move on Bitcoin to the upside was based on this trade tensions between US and China, that's when they are going back to the table to discuss further the tariffs. That's what we have on the Bitcoin, trying to move down through very important levels. So from the intraday perspective, as you can see, we've had this possible demand which we were trying to consolidate around, and today after the news we broke through, we breaking 11,000, going down towards 10,800. That's what this lower shadow here been testing. Okay, so we were discussing, so I can remove the broken demand zone. So we were discussing that this previous consolidation right now got the chance to work as possible demand, and as of now the top of that consolidation, as you can see, we're trying to build the lower shadow. So it's all about where we are going to close the day, right? Now, as you can see, based on the daily chart, green line over here, it's where we are right now. Okay, trying to make some measures. As you can see, we might see a little bit lower levels. Now, what's important, I would like to see a little bit bigger lower shadow, meaning that I would like to see daily close something around 11,000, maybe above. Then tomorrow, another attempt to go lower and another higher close, meaning let's try from the bull's perspective, let's try to create two lower shadows around this very important, very significant level. Guys, we are not going to discover America, right? let's have a look what we have around this level. That's this 11,000, 10,800, right? Plenty of times we were reacting around these levels. Here as well, here as well, here, here, again here. So as you can see, it's significant level right now. So based on this, yeah, I really would like to see a little bit higher close. We might try to retest by tomorrow again, trying to get lower, but overall this 11,000, 10,800 is a key level in my opinion. In case of breakdown, we are opening immediately 10,000, and we know that if we are going to take into the consideration equal waves, we might see 8,500, 8,200, 7,800. The levels related to this broken head and shoulders formation, which hasn't been traded out, right? Been broken immediately. So yeah, if you can move the market and you are Bitcoin bull, it's time to step in and try to push the prices a little bit higher. I'm going to make another update tomorrow, guys. Be careful, don't be trapped, don't try to chase the market if you cannot move that market. Okay, fingers crossed, everything hopefully is gonna to be clear within next few days. Important thing, next week, Jackson's Hole Symposium, so the central bankers are for sure going to talk about the crypto as well. So few events worth to consider. Stay with me. It was my pleasure to be with you today. I'm going to get back tomorrow again. Have a great rest of the month, Tuesday already. Have a great rest of the Tuesday and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.